Metso North Bay is part of a global group of rubber manufacturers that offer mill lining solutions to our customers. Our location in North Bay focuses on rubber products which we manufacture and design on site here. The key focus when we're looking at our manufacturing process is to take into consideration lean manufacturing, safety, and environmental impact are all things that we look at. The message that Metso wants to convey to our employees is that safety is number one.
A key component of our safety program is Safety TLC, training, leadership, and commitment. Train our people, lead our people through our supervisor program, and commitment, total commitment from our management team. By using this approach, we involve all layers of our organization and it helps strengthen our safety culture. WSPS has been there with us from the beginning. Our consultant is from the north. She understands our needs and the needs of our suppliers. This has developed into a relationship that we can openly discuss our needs for our workers today as well as into the future.